Good day, everyone. This is Amelia, one of the captains at HY Voyagers. Today, I'm just going to give you a brief little tutorial about how to use certain types of housing and roommate finding apps. The first one, the one I'm going to show you today is called Roomster. And I'm just going to show you the basics of how these types of apps work. This is just one of many different options, as you can see through our blog about housing. So first of all, you're going to get the app on the App Store, whether it's Apple or Google. You're going to open the app. It'll ask you to sign up, and you would just click and continue that way. And first, you'll enter your phone number here. You can select the country code from wherever you are. I'm Canada. And then you type in your phone number. This helps them verify that it's you they're sending information to and to verify. So when you enter your phone number, they'll send you a confirmation code, verification code. You can find this on your phone and you just type that in to verify, and it'll send you to personal setup information like birthday, name, and gender. And then it'll open up to different listings. Here I selected new listings. So it's just showing me different people that are searching for roommate and how much they are offering it for. You can change the pricing based on US dollars, Canadian dollars, etc. You can update your profile informations, verify your ID, things like that, and change your locations, etc. There's also payment information if you want to have more full access to certain apps. It's just one of them that you can pay for premium features, and it will tell you if people are verified or not, which makes it a little easier. And that's basically how you would use these types of apps. Yeah, so if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below, or reach out to us at hyvoyagers.com, or you can email us directly at captains@hyvoyagers.com. We'd be more than happy to assist you with this type of application use or finding roommates in general. Thank you so much for listening and have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. Bon voyage.